If you want to import and edit a custom HTML email template in Mailchimp, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It's a fast and reliable way to build a branded email from your own code, instead of starting from a basic drag-and-drop layout. Whether you're using a template from a designer, a developer, or your own HTML file, Mailchimp makes it possible to paste in your code and customize it before sending. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Now let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and open the Campaigns area. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Create to start a new email campaign. From the campaign options, choose Email, and then select Regular. This is the standard option for sending a normal email to your audience, and it's the right choice for most custom template workflows. Next, give your campaign a name. This name is just for your own organization inside Mailchimp, so choose something clear that helps you remember what the email is for. Once the name is entered, click Begin to continue. Now you'll be taken into the email setup flow. Here, look for the option that says Use HTML to code my own. This is the key step that lets you build your email from a custom HTML template instead of using a default layout. Click that option and then choose Paste in Code. Mailchimp will open the HTML paste area where you can insert your own template. At this point, paste your full HTML email code into the editor. Make sure your code is clean, complete, and ready to use, because Mailchimp will generate the email based on whatever you paste here. If you want to make changes, you can edit directly in the HTML code, which gives you full control over the layout, text, colors, buttons, and branding. This is especially useful if you want a highly customized email design or if you're reusing a template you already built elsewhere. After pasting the code, review the email preview carefully. Check the spacing, formatting, images, links, and overall structure to make sure everything looks correct. This is an important step because HTML emails can sometimes display differently depending on the template code. Once you're satisfied, click Continue to move forward. Before you send anything, do one final review of the entire email. Make sure the content looks good, the code is working properly, and nothing is broken or missing. If everything looks right, go ahead and click Send. And that's it. You successfully imported and edited a custom HTML email template in Mailchimp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.